Tagalog, English, whatever language. Your hashtag word is hashtag Beanie.
Hashtag Beanie. We all know that this is a girl Filipino group wherein they got the name Beanie from the word Bini Bini. Beanie is because they promote modern Filipina. And most of the Filipinos, youth Filipinos, are now idolizing these people or this group because of their songs. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Pangasinan Alcala. On to our next candidate, we have Mr. Urdaneta City, Clifford J. Bagawisan.
Sir Roman.
May I just remind the candidates that we just have a 45 seconds timer for all of you to answer the question. Mr. Clifford, how are you?
Okay naman.
How does it feel na malapit na ang finals? How does it feel na malapit na ang finals?
Pressure
For sure, your supporters are right behind you, waiting for you to clinch one crown on the coronation night. You may pick your hashtag. Mr. Clifford, once again, you may use any language you're most comfortable in. You may use Tagalog, English. Alam mo na yan. Your hashtag, political. Hashtag no to jeepney face out.
I'm agree for that. Dahil nakikita ko ang mga jeepney driver na napapakahirap, na magsakripisyo, na maghirap, mapagod at magbigay ng oras sa kanilang pamamasada dahil para lamang may pangtustos sila sa kanilang bawat pamilya, at nakakatulong din ito sa mga tao at lalo na po sa mga estudyante dahil sa mga tao walang mga sapat na sasakyan, lalo na mga estudyante, ay nakakatulong ang jeepney upang makarating sila sa kanilang pupunta.
That is our candidate number 2, Mr. Urdaneta City, Clifford J. Bagawisan. Before we continue with our hashtag portion, our judges are currently finalizing their scores. So at this juncture, may we give our sincerest gratitude to our event sponsors. Gabriel, kumusta ka? Ayos lang. Ayos lang. Kinakabahan? Opo. Opo. But still grace under pressure, right? You may now pick your question. Once again, you only have 45 seconds to answer the question. You may use any language you're most comfortable in. You may use Tagalog, English, or whatever language. Your hashtag is hashtag ang Batang Quiapo.
So, bibis ko po sa mga nangyayari sa akin sa buhay ko. That I be made is to join Mr. Pangasinan despite being bashed before my body and WD'd other people, and I found strength in myself in this history can be a testament for another people to chance to improve to your empowerment. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Candidate number 3, our Mr. Pangasinan Urdaneta City, Gabriel Arizala. He is truly a Batang Quiapo. Candidate number 4, please come forward, our Mr. Pangasinan Binmale, Mr. Michael Cortez. Do you have any message to your handlers, makeup artists?
Thank you so much to all supporters niyo po. Tapos yung makeup artist po yung classification po. Thank you so much.
And of course, to all the makeup artists behind the stage, maraming salamat po. You may now pick your hashtag word. Your hashtag is hashtag fake news.
I believe fake news has really one of the problems of our society. It has adverse effect not only the young people, also for those people desperate characteristics, social, financial, or even economical characteristics, and definitely it is breakdown leading to a criminality or suicidal. I believe fake news is relevant issues nowadays. In order to fight fake news, you should be aware about what we're reading. We should be accountable. And I believe social media should be cleared and filtered what is the right news and what is the wrong information that we share, especially on social media. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Candidate number 4, Mr. Benmale, Michael Cortez. Truly indeed that we must defend press freedom. Candidate number 5, Mr. Pangasinan Malasiki. John Lawrence, Mendig Waring. Looking so handsome. Do you have any support? Do you have any message to your supporters?
Maraming salamat po sa mga pumunta dito at sumusuporta po sa akin.
You may now pick your hashtag. Once again to our candidates, you only have 45 seconds to answer the hashtag, to elaborate the hashtag. Your hashtag is hashtag solar energy.
Hashtag solar energy. We all know that the solar energy is one of the most cleanliness or greeniness, and it is one of the most abundant source of energy we have. And I believe that if we individuals have that kind of solar energy or solar panel in the house, I believe that we can save a lot of money and save our environment as well. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Malasiki. John Lawrence, Mendig Waring. Truly indeed, we must be an activist for climate change. Mr. Buzurubio, please come forward. Mr. Jerison Hasmi. Hello, Mr. Buzurubio, how are you?
I'm good, sir. Medyo kinakabahan.
Kinakabahan. Pero kakayanin. Having said that, you may now pick your hashtag. Once again, 45 seconds to answer the question. Any language you're most comfortable in. Your hashtag is hashtag Pangasinan ang galing.
Pangasinan ang galing. Pangasinan has a lot to offer. It involves highlighting its unique culture, tradition, and a vibrant community. And also, I want to showcase its rich culture, delicious cuisine, and the warmth of its people. And I always believe that Pangasinan ang galing because Pangasinan is #1. Thank you.
Pangasinan #1, that is Mr. Buzurubio, Mr. Jerison Hasmi. Thank you so much. Please come forward, Mr. Valentin Mendaro of Municipality of Lawak. Kumusta, Mr. Valentin?
Okay lang po, and I'm excited to answer your question.
You're excited, and so are we. You may now pick your hashtag. Your hashtag is hashtag social media.
Hashtag social media. Social media is the one of the most powerful tool that we are using today. Dahil sa social media, napapabilis ang pagkonekta sa ating mga pamilya at mga kaibigan. At dapat nating gamitin ang social media sa magandang paraan. Dahil hindi natin alam ang post or comment na pala natin ay nakakasakit na ng ibang tao. Kaya, andito ako para sabihin sa inyo na think before you think.
Very well said, Mr. Lawa. Think before you click. Mr. Valentino Mendaro. On to our next candidate, we have Mr. Pangasinan, Municipality of Alcala, Mr. Jomari Cabusao. Mr. Jomari, are you excited to answer the question or to elaborate the hashtag?
Yes, I'm very much ready.
He is ready. You may now pick your question. Your hashtag is hashtag love the Philippines.
Hashtag love the Philippines. Philippines consists of 7,107 islands. However, even though that we are divided with the islands, we are being unified by our language. Our language is Filipino, and us being Filipino, we are able to communicate, understand, and persuade other people by simply using our language as a means of communication. Having said this, we are able to touch the lives of the people, and we are able to give hope to all the people, especially to the people of Pangasinan. Thank you so much.
Mic drop for Mr. Alcala, Mr. Jomari Cabusao. Next candidate, we have Mr. Pangasinan, Malasiki. Harold Emberso. I think you have the most supporters right now. Do you have any messages for them?
Thank you for supporting me, and I hope that I ace this one.
You will ace this round. Manifesting. You may now pick your hashtag. Another political hashtag, hashtag free Palestine.
Love is our universal language, and I think that every people in every country deserves to have a safe place, and also have a place where they can do the things that they want. And the most especially thing is we should not have war, and we must spread love only, because as I said, love is our language. Thank you.
Peace, not war. That is our Mr. Pangasinan Malasiki. Please come forward, Mr. Pangasinan Calasiao, Patrick John Corsino. Our candidate in number 10. Candidate number 10, ano ang mga dapat naming abangan sa iyo sa Grand Coronation Night?
This is just the beginning of me showcasing myself, so I hope you all support me and witness our grand finals coronation. Thank you.
Thank you so much. You may now pick your question, your hashtag. Your hashtag is hashtag Wangod.
Wangod is a cultural icon in the Philippines. She is a traditional artist known for her expertise in the art of batok and hand-tucked tattooing. She represents resilience and preservation of indigenous Filipino culture. Being a female artist in a male-dominated field, she symbolizes strength, resilience, and the empowerment of women. She has broken barriers and shattered stereotypes and inspired many, especially women, in the process. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Calasiao, Patrick John Corsino. On to our next candidate, we have Mr. Pangasinan Municipality of San Manuel, Mr. Mike Eldren Torres. I think Mr. Mike Eldren Torres bagged the Darling of the Press last press presentation. How does it feel?
It's a pressure and the standards of my supporters.
I know, we know you can do it. You may now pick your hashtag. Your hashtag is hashtag no poverty.
We all know that poverty is the hottest issue in our country. We prevent poverty if the government set a program for those opportunities people. And to prevent poverty, we must set a program like the livelihood that makapag-promote ng ating kultura o ano-ano man. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat din to our Mr. Pangasinan San Manuel, Mike Eldren Torres. Our next candidate, we have Mr. Urdaneta City, Jerry Velasco. Mr. Jerry, kumusta ka?
Mabuting-mabuti po. Medyo kinakabahan pero lalaban.
Lalaban, kaya pumili ka na ng iyong hashtag. Your hashtag is hashtag climate change.
Diretsuhin ko na po. Bakit nga ba nagkakaroon ng climate change? Dahil lang din po sa ating mga tao. Paano nga ba? Dahil sa pagkakalat po ng ibang tao, sa pagpuputol ng mga puno, at sa mga hindi kanais-nais na ginagawa ng mga tao sa ating mundo. Sa ngayon nararamdaman natin madalas sobrang lamig at ngayon sobrang init. Kaya paano natin maiiwasan ito? Huwag tayong magputol ng puno, huwag tayong magtapon ng basura kung saan-saan. Kaya madalas ang pagbaha sa bawat lugar sa Pilipinas. Yun lang po.
Thank you so much, Mr. Jerry Velasco of Urdaneta City. Truly indeed that we must do something in our environment now that our future self will thank you for. Next candidate, we have Mr. Malasiki Darren Patungan. Mr. Darren, any messages to your supporters once again?
Thank you for coming all today from Bayan ng Malasiki. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Are you ready to elaborate the hashtag word?
Yes po.
You may now pick your hashtag. Your hashtag is hashtag Heidelin Diaz.
Thank you. Heidelin Diaz is a person that si Heidelin Diaz ay isang babae na magpapatunay na kahit ikaw ay isang babae, hindi ito malilimitahan na kahit kung kaya ng lalaki, kaya din ng babae. Kaya don't judge a book by its cover. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Darren Patungan of Malasiki. Please approach the microphone, Mr. Dagupan City, Jason Gutierrez. A lot of supporters. Do you have any messages to them?
I thank you first to God and my family still here. Thank you so much for sa lahat ng support.
You may now pick your hashtag. Hashtag Press Freedom.
Hashtag Press Freedom. Everyone is entitled to its own opinion. So maybe our freedom of expressions must be on the press. Especially kapag alam natin na tama yung ginagawa natin. Let us support each other. Let's support each other's press in circulating this freedom of expressions to everyone in our country. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. we must always defend the truth. That is Mr. Jason Gutierrez of the Gupan City. You may now approach the microphone, Mr. Pangasinan Bayambang, Jo Marie Datun. Candidate number 15, sino ang nagbigay sa'yo ngayon?
Si Sir Eason.
Any message to him?
Thank you so much for providing this beautiful baron. Thank you.
He looks so handsome in that modern look. You may now pick your hashtag. Hashtag same-sex marriage.
Okay, thank you for the hashtag. I do believe and I do support the same-sex marriage. However, the Philippines is not yet ready for this. This is a long process issue that needs to be talked about by the government so that every LGBT members should be supported and not discriminated. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Joey, the Queen of Bayambang. Very well said. We also have Mr. Pangasinan Bugalion, Joshua Quaresma. Before you answer, are you ready to answer or elaborate the hashtag?
Yes, of course. I was born ready.
He was born ready. Palaban. You may now pick your hashtag. Your hashtag is hashtag technology.
So, hashtag technology. We are now living in a society where modern technology are very rampant. The thing that we need to do right now is we need to know how to use technology very wise. Because we are now living in a very sensitive world. So we need to provide care, love, and peace using technology. We must maximize the using of technology because at the end of the day, we are living in one world where everything is about peace, love, and also uplifting each other's life. Thank you.
I think we're not just born ready, but we're born a rapper. That's Joshua Quaresma, Mr. Bugalion. Our next candidate is Mr. Pangasinan Binalonan, Jerome Valdez. Hello, Mr. Jerome. Kumusta ka?
I'm okay. Medyo nervous but I got prepared to come.
Ayun. Having said that, you may now pick your hashtag. Hashtag never again.
In this situation, never again. May ay tulad ito sa problema kung saan yun ang yung hindi na nagampanan na kung saan never again ito yung parang magiging lesson mo sa failure mo. So you must makakapulot ka ng aral sa failure na naging lalagpasan mo. Kaya yun ang naging way para masabi mo na never again. Para next time, alam mo na ang gagawin sa susunod na. Yun naman po. Maraming salamat.
Never again to committing failures. That is Mr. Jerome Valdez of Binalonan. Let us have Mr. Ariel Caranto of the city of San Carlos. Please speak your hashtag. Your hashtag is hashtag pandemic.
Hashtag pandemic. Pandemic is one of the most crucial happen here around the world. But this pandemic taught us the equality, the unity, the bravery, the bravery, the love. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Candidate number 18, Ariel Caranto of San Carlos City. From the home of Our Lady of Manawag, we have Mr. Pangasinan Manawag, Lance Ordonia. Good afternoon. You may now pick your hashtag.
Diploma over discarte. Naganap sa panahon natin ngayon ang mga influencer na nagpapaalam sa atin kung ano ba ang nararapat, kung diploma ba o diskarte. Para sa akin, mas kailangan natin ng diploma dahil isa tong karangalan or pwede natin masabing achievement. Ang diskarte naman ay isa rin naman to sa daan dahil kahit may diploma ka is possible pa rin na hindi mo ma-achieve yung dream and goals mo. So, mas okay para sa akin ang diploma dahil isa tong achievement.
Thank you so much, Lance Ordonia of Manawag. Indeed, lamang ang may diploma. Let us have Mr. Pangasinan Binmale, the Joshua San Juan. You may now pick your hashtag. Your hashtag is hashtag inspiration.
Hashtag inspiration. Inspiration ang puso ang gagamitin ko upang suportahan ang ating mga magulang at mga pangarap ko upang ipagtaguyod ko ang ating mga pangarap na mangarap sa kinabukasan at ang inspiration ko buong puso at pamilya ko at pangarap ko. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat din to Joshua San Juan Arvo Binmale. On to our next and last candidate, we have Mr. Pangasinan San Manuel Harold Manila. You may now pick your hashtag. Once again, you have 45 seconds to answer the question, English, Tagalog, whatever you're comfortable in. And this is your hashtag. Hashtag Vice Ganda.
Si Vice Ganda po ay isa po siya sa kilalang artista sa ating bansa. At isa po siya sa mga maraming natutulungan sa atin. At isa po siya sa best influencer in Philippine cinema. Yun naman po. Salamat.
Saving the best for last, that is Harold Manila, Mr. Pangasinan, Municipality of San Manuel. And that concludes